Can I ask you two simple
Okay.
questions?
Go ahead. Please, ma'am.
Number one, when it comes to the UP government, when you're asked about refugee camps and where these riot victims who were in the refugee camps have been moved, have they been evicted, forcefully evicted, the most predictable answer coming from them that none of them have been forcefully evicted, even though we have it on record. Number two, as far as the top leadership of the Samajwadi Party is concerned, none of them have even bothered to go to these camps, including Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, your tallest leader. Number three, do you even know that there are two other individuals, which Headlines Today has information, who are being investigated right now, who do not run any charitable organizations. They are in charge of 2 refugee camps, that too at a lower level, but have received enormous amounts of money in the extremely recent past, which is being investigated by the local CID. Now, all these three point to the same fact. That is something happening in these camps which can lead to a vulnerable situation. And unlike what you're saying, the Delhi police did come on record and say that there is information about Lashkar-e-Toiba having contacted some people in Muzaffarnagar. That part has not been denied.
Now, give...
In all of this, I would request you to give me a straight answer of why the Samajwadi Party is hell-bent on playing politics rather than looking at the enormous gravity of the situation. Simple question, deserving a simple, non-rhetorical answer.
Okay. That's a great big allegation on Samajwadi Party. Now, give it time. I was talking to you about...
I don't know which part was the allegation. I purely gave you facts. Go ahead.
Now, please. Give me some time. I listen to you, Maruf. Now, you listen to me, please, I am saying that take the case of RSS man Naseem Anand's confessions, who is serving jail term in Hyderabad. Now he, after his confessions, people arrested in Makkah Masjid blast, Malegaon blast, Samjhauta Express blast, Ajmer Sharif Dargah blast, and Jalna, Purna, Parbhani. You know what happened? They were all exonerated. Now take the famous case of ISRO scientist Nambi Narayanan. You very well remember the spy scandal case, in which a senior scientist was accused of espionage, arrested, jailed, mentally, physically tortured, his family reputation, his career.
Where have you taken this?
Khalid Mujahid died in custody in your government. What are you saying?
I am coming to you, please.
You have no idea what you are talking.
Please listen to
Khalid
me anyway.
Mujahid, who you said is not a terrorist, died in police custody in your government. Whereas you promised in your manifesto page number 9 that all innocent Muslims will be removed. You don't have any idea. You just use Muslims. You just
now don't interfere.
And you use Muslims for their political gains.
Let him speak.
That is what, please.
Mr. Chaudhary,
now let me finish, please. Let me finish. I will answer. I am answering your question, but give me a few more minutes.
We can come to the point faster, no, Mr. Chaudhary?
I have come to the, yes, I am coming to the point.
Instead of going into history,
after a few
let's
years,
talk of what is happening right
scientist, now. No. You have to remember history to not to make mistakes. After a few years, that scientist was exonerated, and who exonerated? CBI. CBI said all the charges was baseless. Now this man was awarded 10 lakhs as compensation. And the Human Rights Commission says he should be given 1 crore. That is another thing. Now what is this going on in our country? People getting arrested, exonerated after that. Many examples. Please listen to that carefully.
And I'm telling you, I am unable to understand the point that you are making. I am unable to understand the point that you are trying to make here. I have asked you 3 basic questions. I am not getting an answer to even one of them.
Now, give me one line. Give me one line. If I agree with you and the news today, then I'll be conspiring with you to hang probably some innocent person. Let it be proved in the court of law, It has been seen many a times that many of these terrorists have been proved wrong in the court of law. People after spoiling their career, their life, their reputation, their fame, name and everything, That's what I'm trying to see.
Mr.
So probably
Chaudhary,
here also it might
Mr. Chaudhary, we are talking about Mr. Chaudhary, we are talking about riot victims and what they are going through. As far as the UP government, which is run by your party, the Samajwadi Party is concerned, there have been not just one, not just 2, and I have listed them, not at the cost of repeating myself. I am just going to ask you a simple question. Do you even know of the reality of what is happening on the ground? Since none of your leaders are bothering to even go there. Since you are only busy in politicizing the issue and pointing fingers at all the other parties.
Day out.
Shehzad, go ahead.
No, let me, Mr. Chaudhary, I have heard you. Now, please listen to 3 points.
Day out the media.
Now,
Madam,
let me make 3
day in,
points.
day out
Okay,
the media.
we've heard you, Mr. Chaudhary. Let Shehzad also speak.
Mr. Chaudhary, 3 points. First of all, I'll tell you why they don't have any clue of what's happening in the camp.
No, you ask, no,
they don't have any clue about what's happening in the camp because Mulayam Singh Yadav says that only BJP and Congress activists are staying in these camps. There are no victims staying in these camps. Secondly, your principal secretary home says nobody dies of cold, and the next day you acknowledge that 34 children have died. You know, your local intelligence bureau has been making calls to me under fictitious names to find out my movements, not the movements of those elite operatives. You are absolutely clueless of what's going on, and I will tell you one more fact. If you are so bothered about the Muslims, don't withdraw cases against those Muslims who have used hate speech. Don't appease Muslims by saying that you will give compensation only to Muslims in a government order. Work for the Muslims who are living in these camps. If that is if you are pro-minority in true sense, work for these people who are living in these camps. But you are not pro-minority, you are not pro-secular, you are a communal party which is only trying to appease Muslims. On the one hand, you withdrew cases against those right-wing BJP leaders. On the other hand, you did the same thing for these people of Muslim community who spoke against the idea of India. And your politics is only that.